Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome to this vlog, a very special. And guys, I thank God for the gift of life. So today I'm just coming live and clear from my beautiful home. So east to west, home is the best. And I'm so grateful to be born and raised on a small village here known as Nyabuhansi village to the world. So guys, anyway, thank you so much for clicking my video. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Low to 6k subscriber, I appreciate. And that being said earlier, so today is on Wednesday and I'm supposed to have my mason around my construction site. At least nowadays I have my construction site. Weathers are small and I'm trying to run that toilet right now. So the work for today is to fix tiles. So technically my mason arrived and they were being continued with some work. So we shall see the progress maybe for this week, and hopefully I'll finish, guys. Thank you for the love and support that you showed toward my family, and right now I'm so grateful. So we just around here. Imagine, guys, I was working right, left, center to make sure that maybe I put my family on the next level. So of which today maybe the mason that you see back fixing the tiles, today we have another mason, and you shall see the progress, how it's go. But guys, you done amazing. You done a lot things to me, and I'm just heading this way, and then I use that route going back home. So guys, let me know in the comment section, what did you think about today's vlog? My good people, you show me some love a lot, and I want to say God thank you, because God has the reason why being nowadays I'm maybe standing in front of you, giving you maybe my futures, or giving you my background, where I'm coming from, and I'm so grateful on that. So let's go, because guys, now we are heading on the month of December. No rain, no sunny guys, believe on me, no sun. So somehow you see, maybe sometime you see my face clear, sometime you didn't see. So this road going to Nyabuhansi, this one goes to Border Town, and maybe in my village here the car will pass maybe once or twice per week, but most maybe means of transport here, you can see motorbike. Even right now I can give you like 20 minutes, you will see a motorbike, guys. Only 20 minutes you will see a motorbike here. And you know, in our village here, most maybe affordable is a motorbike. You can afford, and it's easy to maintain and all stuff. So actually I'm heading this way, going back home. So today my vlog starts inside here on this beautiful forest that you see here. And technically when I'm starting this video from here, I feel that breeze, that fresh air, you know. So I'm telling you, sometime you will see the motorbike passing here, and which is common in my village here. So guys, let's go and see. So I want to show you the progress which I made maybe every day. And guys, you have been there by supporting me, by watching my videos, by subscribing, like and comment. So that's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. Wow. So let's go and see what's happening, man. Wow. Wow. So maybe after these videos I'm heading to border town, and there is some, maybe, you know, in terms of construction, I'm just like, I'm learning, you know. So there's something which my mason, they are needed to have those white strip for maybe joining the tiles. So after this, I'm heading to border town. Wow, imagine this sweet potatoes vein over here. So let's go and see. Guys, are you ready for this? This is another day which God have granted us, but for me it's a blessed day because we start the new week, and actually I think this month we want to start new month, December. So probably let me take you up to my construction site and to see what's going on. Imagine, guys. So yesterday I was telling you all the motorbike have some issues, not too much issues, but I burned the pistols, this inside here, and some we call piston and rings. So when you are riding, it's bring out too much smoke. So that's my bike, and it's helped me a lot. So even right now I'm using to go with it in border town to buy those small materials, guys, which I needed here. Wow. So this is my project. Although I was showing you for the several time, every time, maybe when I'm wake up early in the morning from my house. So these are the tiles. So right now they're soaked inside here. So because when they are in boxes, they are dried, so they soaked here to be wet, and then for easy attachable of the mortar which have been created here, the mixture of sand and cement. So that's the reason why they soaked tiles on water. Imagine, guys, this water. So they soaked tiles and all stuff. So anyway, welcome to my project to fix the mortar, the crate here. And the fact thing today, my mason maybe come with another idea. So they use sand and cement to create a mortar like this one here. So maybe they can use maybe less bag of cement. Wow. Oh. It's one way to go.
Oh, hello, baby.
Yes.
How are you,
Yes, guys. Today, guys, that being said earlier, I have another mason here. So imagine, tulikuja saa ngapi?
Oh, this is
Saa tatu ama saa tatu.
Yeah.
Imagine, guys, we came around 9 a.m. my local time, and and imagine, so right now they try to fix. Imagine whole room.
Yes, for 1 hour.
For 1 hour.
Yes.
So maybe less than 3 hours to 4 hours, they wanna maybe go back inside my mom's toilet.
Yes.
Say hello to my people.
Yes. Hello, guys. I'm greeting all of them. Wherever you are, you want to watch this video. Welcome to Hello Baby YouTube channel. You're supporting my brother to load on good success, or to load on 10. A good success of your life with the YouTube channel. Yeah, supporting my brother because now he's appreciating me to giving me the work like that. You see, I'm ready to start this work to make sure I finish this toilet of Hello Baby. In order one day when you're chilling here for good, yes, you're chilling for good price, and you see as I take my money put for this. That is one of the good things.
Hapa sijui kama ukiweka tiles mvua ikinyesha ita affect ya.
Hapana, hizi affect.
Juu huyu fundi aliweka bati, nitakuja nibadilisha, alitoboa vibaya.
Kuna sehemu huko.
So did you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, guys. I have the YouTube channel. The name is Mo Ibratides. If you search, you get one name, Mo Ibratides. Go supported Mo Ibratides to load on 2,000 subscribe. You can do amazing things for me and to my channel and for anyone who are watching. So thank you for anyone who are supporting me and anyone who are supporting my brother Hello Baby. Yes, to go on the good success. Keep watching, and me I do it to the great now.
Okay, Ibra, here did you fix that chuma? That method that you are needed here.
But for this, they are not fixing.
So here
you are
hapo utaeka niro kabisa ishikile kali. Afu ndo tukipisha grout. Right. Yeah. And then maybe you make sure this one will be clean so you can give you maybe
after I finish I will clean all tiles to look white.
I come with steel wire or use to make it amber.
That is a good, but now I have the steel wire that I use for other sides.
Okay.
But he will clean all tiles after finish.
You know the reason why I ask Ibra more tiles is when I have another mason there. After maybe putting tiles, they wanna start maybe cleaning. Mama, how did you see this progress? Always, guys, my African mom smile all the time, guys. Oh, guys. Kama Ibra kwa inaweza fanyika hiyo papa.
Hamna. Cement with sand. You know strong.
Orangi cement chicho yanse anana inalika pole ba.
Ndio pendi taxi ziende hivyo.
Kienda wima. But ina depend na sehemu.
Kama umechagulia hivyo. So togeke.
Yes.
Bado tu kieka ziende hivi. Ziende sawa ni usawa ni ule tu bado. Kwa sasa kuna simamisha.
Huwa nasimamisha, kuna zingine huwa nalaza. So ina depend.
Sijui kama taisi zitatosha.
Taisi hizi?
Una box 12.
Inatosha. Inatosha. It's enough.
Si hata chomcha chitumeke bado. Hey guys, imagine you have another box here. Well guys, so finally I want to go to Border Town right now, and this is the work for today, so let's go and see, guys. Boxi zimeisha kabisa.
Boxi kama so mbili pale.
Zitamaliza. Okay guys, I'm asking, how did you see maybe the box of tiles could maybe manage to finish? So he told me the box would finish up. So right now guys, no pressure. I cut two tiles.
Okay.
See guys, the way they soak the tiles like that. Actually, that's a bit heavy. So this is the brand new box of tiles here, guys. And anyway, after this, that being said, I'm heading to Border Town, guys, right now. Guys, so that's the work. So let me wear the jacket. Hey guys, it's dark here, so no no maybe sun right now, guys. But when I'm standing this way, you will see me maybe better, guys. So let me take the jacket and I rush to border town right now, guys. Oh, imagine, guys, my African mom dried the beans here. Bruno, how was your day ended, Bruno? Bruno. So I'm so confused. Wow. So this one is not dried enough, but Wah. So I love to use this jacket here. Oh, so anyway, guys, just a minute. Today, what is my camera? It's because of maybe of the enough lights. Wow, guys, I want to wear this sweater here. Oh my God. Wow. So I'm gonna take key here. This is the key. Imagine this is my house, and maybe by tomorrow I will arrange stuff inside here. So for now it's look like shagarabaga. So maybe one cloth there, but I'm a man. So anyway, let's go to border town. My sister, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, I know you are loitering around. You want to say hello. Whoa. Okay, guys. So that's another amazing day. Oh. Let's go. Well, guys, so finally I'm outside and actually I'm heading this way. Ekyore. Yeah. So there's some work going on there, guys. I think maybe you can see from the far end, people are working so hard. And okay, let me park. I want to park my baby here and to see the progress for my mom's project here, guys. So that being said earlier, God is good, and for now I see I've already finished fixing tiles, so I'm heading here. Kanani akimro ukoro atemere ngura ya mujengo sasa tahasu wenkayo lakini January make sure ugasambe
January atahike
awota kwenda nkago jobu hayo adona wakoro tema makiora
teme makesi ni gongi hati ibikubita tunali
tana rusasi goje timaiganki na ente punso kuturibiga icho ibirji chachitamere no ni suri guchan masenti no aganyo no gahamu ndonkore haraka hai erio re kidogo sawa e project ni eno yon serious kane ngore sa sarasin. Oh guys, so more we are like maybe $300 to go, so I've already paid $100, so it's slowly, guys. Maybe if you wish, maybe you can support, maybe right now maybe $100, $50, $30, maybe $20. I can keep pushing, and right now today or tomorrow I'll say goodbye the toilet. You will see, guys. So right now no pressure. Nimeenda boda nitori mungwachene gari apana. So guys, for now I'm keep hitting the road, and actually guys, this is where I'm coming from. It's a pure green nature, you can see, and that is it. God have the reason why I born in Africa, especially in African Kenya. Well, guys, the back we have the car, guys. German machine. And hello baby, I'm driving a motorbike. Wait. That's true, boy, guys. So I want this car to give me enough space, and then I could drive from here right now, guys. Wow. Wow, guys. So because right now the road is bad, more so on that part there, so actually maybe I want to put this video here. You'll meet me when I'm driving on the tarmac road right now. So over there of the shop and all stuff, guys. So stay tuned, more amazing videos coming. And guys, much greeting to you, much love, guys. You are amazing people to me, and you mean a lot and a lot. So because of time and I'm rushing to Border Town, so I want to maybe post this video here, and then I would drive like crazy, but in a good way, guys. Wow. Well, guys, so we have the dumping site here. Well, guys, so it is the dumping site that you see here. And man, imagine you have the government of Kenya, but right now it's a kind of a shame. The dump site is smelling a lot and a lot. Maybe instead of disposal this rubbish here and maybe applying some chemical, man, I'm telling you, even when I'm passing here, it's smelling so bad and it's so shameful. Imagine you have the people who are working in the government, and then like from there up to you have another neighbor, guys. Imagine that's the neighbor. What a kind of behavior. But anyway, guys, guys, so finally I hit the tarmac road, but I stood for another day about the dump site. This is what it is, guys. You see, guys, over there. So now I'm heading to Border. Now I'm heading to Border Town. That's my Roman Catholic Church over there, and technically it's a good church. Bye. Guys, when I'm on the way, people greeting me, guys. Look. This is my bike. Man, I'm telling you, we have a nice house here. Hey, that's house, guys. Wow. So this video, it will go up to Border Town, and actually I'm heading to the hardware right now. Imagine, guys, the tipper. Kids are going to the portion mill. Wait. Guys, this guy they want to cause accident to other people, but it is what it is. New petrol station here. This one, you see. Wow, guys, so finally I'm in Border Town right now, guys. I hope you can see me clear. Wow. You can see me clear. That is it. That is it. You see guys how border town is looks like. Super chilling. Oh, look guys. Oh, and I will show you what I'm going to buy on that hardware right now. That's border town. Let's go. See guys, people are outside hustling. That's police post and all stuff. Do you know what I mean, guys? And we have another petrol station open here. That one. Wow. You see guys, wow, we have a cooperative bank over there. Oh, so guys, I'm almost at that hardware. I'm telling you right now. I go like this. Oh my god. Yeah? Finally I packed this. So I want to buy that stuff. Iga? Umeleta zile nyeupe? Kesho nafuata box mbili.
Nyeupe tutakuwa tunashusha hapa asubuhi sana.
Na nakuja na zile taisi zingine mnibadilishie. Ona hii box moja. Mje mbadilishe hii. Na no box nyingine moja. Niwaenda kuka chini. Oh guys, so amazing place here. Ini 40x40. So guys, this one I'm going to fix on my next video. This one is coming. Hey. Tangi kioma mwana. Nipe ile chuma. Iga?
Kwasi.
Habari Muhammad.
Mzuri.
Salamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Alaikum salam guys. This is a Muslim here. Okay, tumai.
Tukiomba mbele vitire 300 sasa.
Tatongo tebu kangi. 300 yake. Mura miamsi tangi kende.
Kana mimi msiri.
Chai. Acha mura kama ni hivyo niambie mura. Mimi sitakuwa kuja unanipandishia.
Bila 600.
Hakuna.
Hata ngo namba ya naro moja mbele 600.
Sawa, mpigie simu niongee naye. Mura funga 300 niende alafu kesho.
Nini YouTube?
YouTube.
Niambie niandike.
Leta kalamu nikuandikie. Guys, imagine they want to support me by subscribing. So I came to pick this. Kesho nakuja tiles box mbili. 6 za nini mbona? Nganaka uwe. Ewe anda turbo kwa hata kwa hii pesa kidogo nitakukule tu. So these kids they want to support me by subscribing maybe. Right. Tendo ambie familia wa subscribe.
Yeah.
Guys, imagine I want to type my name here. Right. I bought this stuff here and it goes to $3. So I need a receipt. Yeah. And then bigi yana faza kana unataka kunikoroga. Funare makandeka. Wow, so at least I have the receipt here. It's time to go back home. Bye. Thanks for subscribing to my channel.
I just need 50 bob. 50 bob.
You sold these things at a high price. You make profits from me.
I'm selling 3 so per piece. 300 per piece.
Maybe
300
next
per
time.
piece.
Tomorrow I'll come to buy another tiles.
You're welcome.
Muhammadi. Habari yake? Leo mtajiona YouTube.
Sawa.
Unajiita nani?
Sid Basit. Sid Basit is Mohammed Big Moha. It's me, Sid Basit.
Big Moha, number 7.
Yes.
Okay.
Where are you going?
Me, I'm going to Nyaboans.
Yes. Utaweka leo hivi.
Yani leo kesho utaamka asubuhi yoni. Nitaiweka leo saa 5.
Leo saa 5
ya usiku.
Yes, thank you.
Guys, I'm thinking that kids and it's some Muslim kids. Maybe by 5 we'll see this video maybe at night, guys. So stay tuned, man. Oh guys, I want to buy some sweets here. It's here food. I'm seeing. Chigambi bia to mahembi. Hey. Huh? Hii ni fungu moja. Hii ni moja.
Hii yenyewe.
Sasa utaniongeza. Hizi sio noma. Let's be here. Umesema 20? 50. Pore dada, nisije nikupe makaratasi. Okay. That is it, guys. That's how we promote people maybe here. And then I'll take this back home, maybe I will enjoy. Maybe it will be my lunch. I don't know. Guys, that's a tourist vehicle over there. And it's some Mercedes-Benz. I'm telling you. Imagine, guys, I'm carrying like this up to home, guys. So let's go. Well, guys, so finally I'm back home with this stuff. And guys, if you know, driving and with this stuff here, it's so hectic and it's delicate, so you must drive slowly until you finish up. And then at the same time, I'll make sure that my mason have been given lunch time, guys. That's my condition to my site. Hey, brother.
Yes.
Easy.
Oh, easy. Exact. Good.
Zingine za chuma taziweka huko.
So I'm continuing now. Yes, to make sure I'm finishing another one. So give me a machine, I want to cut this.
Kwa hizi pens zinaendaje? Leo chikere.
Iko sawa.
Sio hapa. Huko.
Gani?
Kana mbona zingine kwa kwa.
Gani?
Ona huko. Ukuta.
Hizi za huko?
Ona huko tani.
Hata huko.
Hizi za hapa?
Eh.
Hizi nimezipunguza, zilikuwa zikitaiti huko.
Oh. Lazima zinadai kubomolewa.
So
Umepewa lunch?
Mama amesema suni analeta. So nikijenga hizi?
Mimi nakuelewa. Oh guys.
Unaona hiyo?
Imagine, guys, I can't wait to share with you. So hiyo plastiki si moja mtaweka hapa.
Nini? Chuma.
Hii chuma. Ai. Tatosha mweke hapa.
Ya plastiki sitatosha.
Unaona?
Kama itatosha.
Acha naweka tanga.
See, guys, I'm telling you. Oh, guys, I'm on another class. So today we say the toilet goodbye. For now, goodbye. Look, guys, super amazing. No problem. So here, maybe fix some grouts. There's my toilet there. Oh, maybe for those people keep maybe saying, "Oh, hello, baby, what's up?" Today, so maybe tomorrow, I'll come up with new white tiles. So maybe everything I want to put white. So now they're working at my mom's side or my mom's toilet. That is it. Unaambia mavoli singareise.
Inatosha.
So haya mengine ni ya nje. Oh, haya ni mmehamisha.
Tumetoa.
Sema hicho hadi unakibandika chini.
Gani?
Hii.
Hii nazo. Sasa tuwahi kumaliza.
Mkovo heri.
Tuwahi kumaliza tu.
Yenye mbaki ni grout. Grout ya 300 itatosha.
Kwa choo zote?
Hapana.
Mpaka hapo nje unajua ndani grout.
Kwa ndani wakati huu. So guys, officially we started my mom's toilet after finishing my toilet on the other side here, which I've already shown you. And look the work, man. Hey, oh, super amazing, pure white tiles. Oh man, I can't imagine. I can't wait to learn this toilet, man. I'm telling you, God is good. And guys, thank you so much by keep supporting me until the end. And may God bless you a million times. Maybe for the one who made it possible by fixing tiles, also may God bless you. And by keep watching my videos, for those people who are watching my videos, also may God bless you a million times, man. To make a huge progress like this, it's not easy, but it's by God's grace. I keep maybe making some step by step. Whoa. And the inside here, maybe tomorrow at the same time, I wanna fix tiles down here. Wow. Down here. Wow. The same application that my first mason applied here. The same, nothing changed. Nothing changed. Oh. And maybe this is the remaining maybe pieces. On other side, there's some places that are needed to put some those broken pieces of the type. This one here. Oh, you know it's delicate. It can cut your leg and more stuff. You start saying, oh. Boxi zimesha huko, si ndio?
Ibakia moja.
Acha ile bag. Sisi zitamaliza.
Na hizi zitamaliza.
Wow. So we have 2 bags of cement here. So finally they have used around, let me say technically, so far so good, they use 2 bags of cement, which is oh guys, which is a good thing. It's a good thing. And that's the maize on the other side. Ooh. I pray guys, maybe the habit of maybe raining time maybe could happen maybe when my son finishing up.